students here. So we are at staffing chapter. So in the last class we discussed regarding about selection and also what are the selection process here. So we are go through so many processes were there here regarding that here. So we have to go for preliminary screening. Okay, selection test was there here, number of selection tests here, and also we have seen the interview. Next one reference and background check here. Next one it was the selection decision, and also we go for the medical examination, and also we have gone for job offer, and also last one it is about the contract of employment here. Okay, next one. Okay, so next one here after your selection is over here. Okay, so normally speaks to here. Okay, so directly a new employee has come to your company means here we will not send for a directly go and do the work here. Okay, so what you have to do here, we have to give a training to them here. Okay, so some of the company they will give a 1 year training or 6 months training, 3 months training like this here. Depend upon the company they will give the training to you. Okay, so that is static here. Okay, now what is this training here? Okay, so we will deeply discuss. Okay, we will discuss about the training here. Okay, what is training and what are the types of training and all is there here. We will see in this class here. Okay, so now, so what is meant by training means here? I have a meaning here regarding this. Okay, training means it is the process of learning a new skill and application of a new knowledge here. Okay, so you are a new employee for the company here. Okay, so you have to give some training to you people here. Okay, training means here is nothing but learning of new skill and also application of a new knowledge here. You have to learn something. Okay, some of them they used to work in other company, they will come here, something other they know, but a new employee just like you people here, you will learn the after your graduation you will go for a company here. What do you know about the company here? Okay, what do you know about the work here? So that is the things will be there. Yes, some problems you'll face here. That's why each and every company they will give some training to you. Okay, whether 6 months or 3 months or 1 year, depend upon the company they will give the training here. So it is nothing but a learning of new skill and also new knowledge here. And also there is another meaning for this one here, that is about development here. Okay, what is this development here? It refers to learning of opportunities designed to help the employees' growth here. Okay, employees go there, it's a development here. So after getting training here, so it refers to the learning opportunities designed to help the employees growth here. So development has to be made by the each and every employees here. That's why training and also development will be made by the each and company and also management people here. Okay, sir, my question is, okay, after the selection, so many processes you have done here, so many things here, you go with the number of selection process here, directly, hey, I am graduated here, I am undergone the so many process of selection here, I have passed here. Shall I go for directly for the company here? Why we have to give more importance for this training here? Okay, shall we go directly for the company here? No. Why we have to give importance means here, I have 5 importance are there here regarding this here. So we'll go one by one here. First and foremost here, training is a systematic learning, always better than the trial and error here. Okay, so better you go for training here. Don't go for trial and error here. Okay, so many crores together they will invest here. The company will invest crores together here. Okay, so crores together raw materials will be there here. Okay, if you go without training means here, so there should not be trial and error here. Okay, there should be accurately, there should be proper utilization of resources here, everything, time, everything should be on this one here. That's why training is a systematic learning and always better than trial and error here. This is the first importance you have to give here. Next one, it ensures the employee's productivity both in the terms of quality and also quantity here. Okay, if at all you are given the proper training means here for the employees here, it increases employees' productivity both in the terms of quality and also quantity. Okay, the quality of the employees will increase here and also quantity of the employees also will increase here by giving the better training to them here. That is the second point here. Third one, it encourages the future manager who will take over the department activities in case of emergency here. Okay, if at all you are given a proper training here, so one of your friend or colleague or anybody here, okay, so he is in the leave, he is in the long leave or something means, okay, you have to take a charge here. Okay, as a general manager or any department manager means here, if you have a proper training means here, in the case of emergency you will take the charge here. Okay, but if at all you are not taken the proper training or something means here, so you will face problem over here. That's why, so their training will ensure that it encourages the future manager Okay, if at all you have a training means you will get a encouragement here. Yes, I can do. I have a skill to control that. I can manage that. All these things will be there, yeah, to over the department activities in the case of emergency. That's the third point. Next one, it increases the employees' morale and reduces labor turnover. Okay, so that's the thing here. So it increases the employees' morale. Okay, and also it reduces the labor turnover here. Okay, within that, so I have a work here. I can do within that 5 men or 5 laborers or 5 employees here. Okay, if at all you not got training means here, okay, that work may worked or it may go for 6 laborers or 7 laborers or 10 laborers also here. Okay, you have a laborers or you have a proper training means here, you will get through or you will get over the within 5 laborers or something here. So labor turnover will be less here. That is the fourth point. And the last point here, it helps in the effective response to the fast changing environment and also technology. Okay, so in the last classes also we have discussed regarding that. So daily the taste and preferences are changing here. Okay, so too many companies are coming here, too many products are coming into the market here. Okay, so many soaps, so many detergents here, so many shirts, so many pants here, different variety of products are there in the company, in the market here. Okay, so for the fast changing of your environment here, you should have a proper training to that here. You have to adjust to the environment here. Business environment you have to adjust here. That's why if you have a proper training, you will be get into, okay, for you may response for the fast changing of environment and also technology. This is about your importance here. And also now, what is the benefits for this? If at all you have a proper training here, if at all you have a good training for you people here, what is the benefit for the employees now here? Okay, we have a 4 benefits for if at all you have a get a good training means here, you will see. The first and foremost here, it helps to improve skill and also knowledge here. Okay, you have a new employee, you are now itself you are graduated here. Okay, you doesn't know nothing here regarding about their employees, this one work on it here. If at all you have a proper training means here, it will improve your skill and also knowledge here. Theoretically you will know that, but practically you doesn't know what to do here. That's why if at all you have a proper training, so your skill and also knowledge will be increased. That's the first point. Next one. It makes the employees more efficient to handle machines here. I told you regarding this here, theoretically you know that, what to do and all here, but practically you don't know how to handle the machines here. If you have a training means here, automatically it makes the employees more efficient to handle the machines here. So how to put the raw materials here, how the output will come here, okay, how to handle, all the things will be learn in that training period here. That's the second point here. Third point, it helps to increase your performance of an employee and gain more knowledge here. Okay, if at all you have a good training means here, your performances will be good here. Okay, so within a time or in 1 hour, okay, if you take an example in 1 hour, 10 shirts you can make means here. If you have a proper training, you can go for 12 shirts or 15 shirts also here. Okay, so that is about the good performance here, increases your performance here. Training is not there, better training is not there means you lose your productivity also. Okay, you will lose your interest also. Okay, you feel very hard to work in the company here. Something or the others will be there. You will face some difficulties here. That's why, so there should be a proper training here. It increases your performance as an employee and gain more knowledge that. And the last one, that's the fourth one here. It increases the job satisfaction and morale of our employees here. Okay, it increases the job satisfaction and also morale of employees means here, where so you know everything means okay, you will feel free. Yes, I know this to work here. Okay, sir, good. Okay, I have a satisfaction on this job here. Okay, I done well as per my knowledge here. I done well here. So there will be job satisfaction and also morale will be there here. Morale of employees also will be there while doing this company. Okay. We move to the next one. That's the last topic of this chapter. That's about the staffing chapter. Okay, that's about the training methods here. Okay, training methods here, we have broadly classified into 2 categories here. That is called the on-the-job training and also off-the-job training here. Okay, the employees, new employees has come to your company. Okay, we will give 2 types of, that's the 2 categorized here. We will give two categorized of training here. That is called on-the-job training and also off-the-job training here. Okay, in the on-job training or what is this on-job the training means here? Okay, while doing the work itself, we will give the training to the employees here. That is called as the on-the-job training here. Out of that, we have 4 apprenticeship training, that is the apprenticeship program, coaching, internship training, and also job rotation here. And again, we'll go for the off-the-job training here. Off-the-job training means here where first we will give the lecture or we will instruct what are the things are there here. We will instruct first here, then afterwards we will go for the workplace here. Which are there means here, so classroom lecture, that is a classroom lecture or conferences here. Next one films, next one case study, computer modeling, and also vestibule training here. Okay, we'll see what are the one by one, what are the things are there here. So I told you regarding that on the job training means. On the job training means here, while doing the work itself, we will give the training to the employees here. So which are there, what are there, we will see one by one here. The first and foremost, it is called the apprenticeship program here. Apprenticeship program is nothing but here where the employees they will put into one senior most employees will be there, or senior most member or employee will be there here. So we will guide, or he will guide to you people here regarding about what work to be done here. Okay, so after getting your employment, that is you will get as a job here, so you will send for the apprenticeship training here. Okay, might be this word will be better you use, or you will see, or you will listen in ITI. After completing the ITI, they will have to go for some companies. Okay, apprenticeship program will be there here, apprenticeship training will be there here. Okay, so this apprenticeship training means here they have to undergo for 1 year or 6 months, depend upon the company here. Okay, he has to work with under a superior or a well-known person here, so you have to go for this one. This is called as a on-job training here. Okay, so they will give a training on the job itself here while doing the in the machinery. The new employee is going the work here. Okay, he will go there. Okay, not like this means do like this. Okay, he will give training there itself. That is called as the apprenticeship program here. Understood? Next one is second one, that is called coaching here. Might be you heard about this word coaching. Okay, the best means cricket coach, football coach, coacher. Okay, a member or a experienced or a skilled person, he will coach. Okay, what to be done here, how to be done, and or how to handle that machine or whatever. He will coach here. That is called coaching will be there here. This is also on the job training itself while doing the work itself. Might be your senior, some of the sportsmen are there with me. Okay, you might be observed here in the football ground or in the ground here. Okay, some coaches will come here. Coach will be there. Okay, do like this. Okay, you might be seen in the television also here. The coaches will instruct in the this one in the when cricket is going on means the coach will instruct like this. Something will be instruction will be going on. That all the things will come into coaching here. Like this here, in the companies also, the coacher will be there here. Okay, how to handle the materials here, how to handle the raw materials here, how to handle the machines, everything will be there here. That is a coaching here. That is a one type of training here. That is the second one. Next one, internship training here. Internship training is nothing but here where you can see this. Some of the as a new generation is going on. Before we were the students means this was not there. Okay, now the new generation is what the same means here. The education and also training, okay, has to move with the equal path here. Okay, some of the college they are giving they are tied with some of the companies here. So morning by 9 to 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock the classes will be there or college will be there. Yeah. After that they have to undergo or have to go for some companies. They have to work over there. Okay, to get a better knowledge about that companies here. Okay, this is called the internship training here, where the employee, whether the students has to gain the practical knowledge and also theoretical knowledge at a time here. At a time here, so they will they will go for undergo, they will same training and also education both in a same way. Okay, that is called internship training here. Okay, that's the internship. Next one, job rotation here. Job rotation means here where here an employee will not be assessed to go, or we will not insist to go for only one department here. Okay, we have to go for this week we have to go for purchase department, next week you have to go for the finance department, next week you have to go for market department, next week you have to go for sales department, something or the others we say. Why we will make like this? Why? Because if at all any person has got accident or something, okay, is in the long leave or something, you have to capable of handling that department also. Okay, so in the point of view of a company goal here or organizational goal here, you have to sacrifice something. Okay, what sacrifice means here? You have to look after that department also. If at all you want to look after that department means here, you have to get through or you have to get trained of that department also here. You have to know that department also. That department also should be known by you people here. That is called job rotations here. Okay, so we'll go for this here. On the job training means the job or the training will given in the training period itself. We will give that training in the working place itself here. Okay, so apprenticeship program here, it might be this a best example here, plumbers, electricians here, electric training, apprenticeship will be there here, iron making, okay, that's a bar bending or something they will make here. So all these things will come into apprenticeship training here. Next one, coaching. This is where best word or best thing is, you are a football coach, cricket coach or whatever may be. So it's a coaching will be there. In the ground itself they will give the coach here. On the spot they will give the coach here. Next one, internship here. While giving the education here, with that also here we will go for the training in some of the companies here. And also job rotation in the companies here, we will change them department wise here. So each department has to known by every employee here to go for better control of a organization. Okay, this is the job training here. Next one, off the job training here. What is this off the job training here? Off the job training here might be your observe this here. Okay, so we will not directly will go for workplace now here. We will not send to the workplace here. First we will instruct, we will give orientation, we will give the education regarding what to be done here by you people here. Okay, first we will see that. So what are the things to be done here? We will give a lecturer here, we will give a conference, we will give orientation, everything will be given by me for us here. Okay, to do better in the workplace here. Okay, for that here we will see that off the job training here. Off the job training is nothing but here we will give a training in the classroom or in the place, in the hall or something. We will see that here. Okay, which are there? First one foremost here we have a classroom or conference hall here. Okay, so might be here in the second PUC. Okay, we will say, okay, balance sheet, journal entries, profit and loss account, okay, something or the others will see. Okay, theoretical we are filling you theoretical knowledge about the accounts here. Okay, but now when you go for workplace means, okay, practically we will do that here. Practically we are giving the only theoretical part here, like this it will be there here, the companies will be like this. Okay, so raw materials will be there, machines like this here, furniture like this here, everything will be discussed in the classroom here. But exact place when you go for workplace itself, then you know what is company here. That is called classroom lecturer here. Okay, we will see only we will guide this one. We will see, we will make to sit in the classroom here. We will say, okay, like this it will be there here. And also conferences also will be there here. In the conference hall also we will instruct what to be done here. Okay, what material to be used here. Everything will be seen here. Okay, but only theoretical part here. Okay, now practically we will see here. So after going for the workplace itself, then you know about what to be done here. Okay, that's the first one. That's the classroom lecture here. Next one, films. Okay, films means here some of the things you can't express or you can't explain that here. That's the thing here. We will show in the slides. Okay, we will show the slides, some films to okay, how to make that product here. We will make with the film here, small film like this here. Okay, we will make a small film like this. We will show in the TV or the monitor. Okay, so we will show that things here, what to be done, how to be done like this here. We will show with the films. This is also we will make it to sit in the classroom itself or in the conference hall. We will make here and we will put the films here, slide shows. Okay, some 10 minutes or 15 minutes or half an hour films will be there here. Okay, regarding about the how to produce, how to put the raw materials here, so how the output will come here, everything will be there in the slides or in the just like a films here. Okay, that is about the off the job training here. Second one. Third one, case study. Might be this word is well known to the policemen. Okay, might be you are observed in the some films here. Okay, one policeman will come here, he will give a salute to the commissioner will say, okay, take this file here, this is a case of some criminal is there, please study and go through and also go ahead with you can go and take the action here. What is that means? Okay, what does that mean? A case study is nothing but here, we will not give any training or we will not say anything about this here. We will say or we will give some files to you people here regarding the past and present or future. Anything is there in the every file here. You have to go through. Okay, go through what the thing is happened here. Okay, in the case, in the file will be there here. You have to go through what are the profit here, how to be used, how to be done here. Everything you have to study and you have to take your own decisions here. Means it is within the limit of the companies here. You have to see that here within the case of the study. That is called as a case study here. Okay, that's a case study here. Okay, next one, that is about the fourth one, computer modeling here. Computer modeling, might be you have seen that in the computer. So we have a MS Excel, MS Word like this here. You might be seen in some of the movies or any other things here. They will show you regarding about the MS Excel. They will say with the stand or something. They used to have a, okay, our profit has gone like this, it has gone like this. They will show with the graph and also maps here. Okay, so all these things about that, how to go, have to go for the with productivity, how to go for with your production here, how to sales, okay, marketing, okay, everything will be discussed with the help of the computer modeling here. Okay, with the help of the computer modeling here, you can make off here. Okay, we will give a training how to develop or how to produce your products here, how to market, how to get a finance here. Everything will be seen with the computer modeling. And the last one of this year, that's about the vestibule training here. Okay, might be your observed in the school days and also in the first year, might be on 2 or 3 months here. In the school days, we will go for science here. Okay, if you really want to learn something means here, they will show some models. Okay, show you some model. Okay, this is the nose, this is the mouth, this is a respiratory system, this is a digestive system. Like this, they will show with the models here. Okay, same like this. Okay, same like this here in the companies also. They will make a model of machines, or they will give a machines itself. Okay, dummy machines here. Okay, they will make this one here. They will show how to use that machines here. Okay, models also they will keep here, and also used or some dummy machines will be there. It is not used for production purposes. They will keep the machines here. Okay, here you have to put the input, that's the raw materials to be put here. The process like this, it will go here and it will go for output here. The output or this one finished products will come outside like this here. Everything will be seen, or you can be trained in the vestibule training here. This is called vestibule training here. Okay, might be you have seen in your first year, your geography sir, that's the Bhagwan sir, they used to keep a globe. Okay, this is India, this is Pakistan, this is Bangladesh, like this, something other. That is also vestibule training here. He is keeping the model over there. He is keeping the model and also he is giving the training to you regarding the map, and also it is the globe here. That is also vestibule training here. Understood? So now we'll go for this one here again. So off the job training means here, first we will give a training or we will give the instruction regarding about that. Everything will be there in the classroom. Then afterwards we'll go for the workplace here. Okay, so first one, that is the classroom lecturers here, that is on conference here. Next one, with the help of films we will give the training. Next one, case study. Okay, first we will give the file, you have to study and you have to go ahead with the work here. Next one, computer modeling here, with the help of the softwares. Okay, you can go ahead with the training here. Next one, vestibule training here, with the keep of some models or anything here, you are giving training to the new employees here. Okay, so that's the thing here. Thank you very much here. Have a nice day. Stay safe at home here. Thank you.